In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Marvel's Spider-Man 2 on iPad and whether or not it is possible to do this. So I'm gonna go over all of the platforms in which Spider-Man 2 has been officially released on, and also I'm gonna be talking about the possibility of running this game on an iPad. So first, if you visit the official PlayStation Store website, or you go over to the PlayStation Store directly on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you will be able to find Marvel Spider-Man 2. It was released originally and officially on 2013 on the PlayStation 5 exclusively. Now, seeing as how the first game got ported over to PC, it is safe to assume that the same thing is going to happen to this title. So right now we have the game on PlayStation 5 and there's a very high chance that it is going to be available for PC in the future. Now what about iPad? Well, if you try to go over to the App Store directly on any mobile device that you have, you will be able to find this title, The Amazing Spider-Man AR. But of course, this is not the same game. This is something else entirely, and you might even be able to find The Amazing Spider-Man 2. But what about Marvel Spider-Man 2 specifically? Well, sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that this specific title is not available for iPad. It is only exclusively available for the PlayStation 5 and possibly for PC in the future. Any other platforms such as Nintendo consoles, Xbox consoles, and mobile devices will most likely not receive this game ported over. It's either because of hardware limitations or because of exclusivity deals. So as it stands today, you will only be able to play Marvel Spider-Man 2 on a PlayStation 5 or PC. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that the iPad doesn't have the hardware capabilities of running this game, and also because of exclusivity deals, it will probably never be ported over to those mobile devices. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to play Spider-Man 2 on iPad, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.